Jayco has been making travel trailers for more than 50 years, and the Jayco lineup of travel trailers, including the popular Jay Flight SLX line, are the best-selling travel trailers in the country. The Jayco Jay Flight SLX has a comprehensive lineup, so you'll certainly be able to choose a travel trailer ideal for you and your RV-loving family. They're well-built and reliable with a touch of modern design and rustic feel. Plus, some models are available in the conventional exterior or the smooth-sided laminate exterior. I want you to sit back and relax as I go through the fantastic Jayco Jay Flight SLX travel trailer. Now I'm going to start talking about the single axles first. You've got your Jayco Jay Flight SLX single axle 7 series and your Jay Flight SLX double axle 8 series. What I'm going to do here is run through the features and floor plans of the single axle models first. So, as such, if you don't want to listen to me ramble on about the single axles, you're more interested into the double axles, there's a little link down below that you can click on that'll take you right to the portion where I start talking about the double axle models. Okay, let's get inside and check out the features on the Jayco Jay Flight single axles right now. The single axle 7 series, the 7 meaning 7 feet in width, all have a dry weight around 3,500 pounds, which makes them ideal to be towed by a half-ton truck as well as most mid-size SUVs. Inside a single axle Jayco Jay Flight SLX, the first item you may want to notice is the AC unit. Wall-mounted, this 8,000 BTU blower provides the cool air you'll need on those warm summer camping days. And there is a roof-mounted 13.5 BTU AC option. In the rest of the living area and kitchen, you'll find a surprising set of features built in to make your RV life comfortable and stylish. Solid hardwood cabinet doors not only add some style, but their craftsmanship allow them to last season after season. Full extension drawer guides with steel ball bearings make it so much easier to store and retrieve your pots, pans, and everything else you need inside the kitchen. Other nice kitchen items include a 2-burner cooktop, microwave oven, seamless solid surface look countertop, and a stylish brushed nickel faucet. Also within the kitchen area is a creative use of space. In most single axle models, Jayco has managed to sneak in a nice pantry/wardrobe storage space. In the bedroom, the single axle models with a queen bed get a touch of home with a Serta mattress. And this may not seem like much, but it's something that you may not find in a lot of other single axle campers: a bathroom mirror trimmed in wood. Very nice. For entertainment, you'll get a premium multimedia sound system with interior and exterior speakers, utilizing MP3, iPod input jacks, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. Gain access for TV watching via a digital TV antenna and exterior cable TV hookup. Relax under the soft warmth of LED lighting and on the exterior as well. Very nice little touch. Speaking of the exterior, you can relax under the power awning, plus relax knowing your Jay Flight SLX's roof is seamless using Dyflex 2 material over a lightweight Magnum Truss roof system. The exterior also comes complete with large exterior downspouts to keep the rain off your roof and solar prep to harness the sun's energy. An option, or serious boondockers option, in the Jayco Jay Flight SLX single axle models is the Baja package. Here, you'll get an enclosed underbelly, off-road tires, 4 stab jacks, a bigger freshwater tank, and so much more. Now let's talk about the Jay Flight SLX single axle floor plans. These models are available across the country, but come in a W edition, meaning West. For our purposes, I'm going to talk about them how Jayco defines them. First, let's focus on the bunkhouse models. These are really great for that camp-loving family with younger children. The 154BH has a pair of stacked twin bunks, a convertible dinette, good for 2, so it can comfortably sleep up to 4. You'll also find a tub, shower, and a nice pantry area. The 174BH has stacked twin bunks, a queen bed up front with a privacy curtain, plus a convertible dinette, so it can sleep up to 5. The 184BS adds a little more space by placing a 4-person convertible dinette in a slide-out. The 184BS has stacked twin bunks, a queen bed, and can sleep up to 6. You'll find the Jay Flight SLX single-axle 7 Series has some nice floor plans designed for the couples as well. The 183 RB is all bathroom against the back wall and even has a linen closet. Up front, you'll find a queen bed with a privacy curtain. In the middle, you'll find a surprising amount of room as the convertible dinette is in a slide-out. The 195 RB has a rear bath that shares the back wall with a spacious wardrobe closet. The efficient kitchen has a good-sized pantry. Up front, the queen bed is centered, allowing for walk-around space. Now I'm going to talk about some of the features in the double axles. The double axle Jayco Jay Flight SLX models have a lot of features, and I'm going to highlight quite a few, starting with the interior. You can stay comfortable inside with good headroom via an 81-inch ceiling height and the roof-mounted 13,500 BTU AC. In the rest of the living area and kitchen, there are a surprising amount of features built in to make your RV life comfortable and stylish. Solid hardwood cabinet doors not only add some style, but their craftsmanship allow them to last season after season. Full extension drawer guides with steel ball bearings make it so much easier to store all those pots and pans and get them out, as well as anything else you need inside the kitchen. Other nice kitchen items include a 3-burner cooktop, stainless steel microwave oven, stainless steel refrigerator, large 50/50 sink, and a stylish brushed nickel faucet. Also within the kitchen area is a creative use of space, as Jayco has managed to drop in a nice pantry/wardrobe storage area, with some models even having a huge space for dry goods and clothes. In the bedroom, the queen bed gets a big touch of comfort with a Serta mattress, and the bed platform has struts for easy opening and closing of the storage area. For entertainment, you'll get a premium multimedia sound system with interior and exterior speakers, utilizing MP3, iPod input jacks, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. Gain access for TV watching via a digital TV antenna and exterior TV hookups for cable. Plus, you can watch TV outside if you choose via the exterior TV bracket. Speaking of that exterior, you can relax under the power awning and relax knowing that your Jay Flight SLX's roof is seamless using the Dyflex 2 material over a lightweight Magnum Truss roof system. For towing, nothing beats a power tongue jack with hitch light to make hitching and unhitching fast and easy. The exterior also comes complete with an outside shower, spare tire with cover, the super convenient and awesome black tank flush, and solar prep with an optional solar power package to harness all the great sun's energy. Other options for the double axle Jay Flight SLX models include the Baja Edition for off-road boondocking and the Western exclusive Rocky Mountain Edition with its pull-out kitchen faucet with sprayer, medicine cabinet, and a larger freshwater tank that allows you to carry 80 pounds of water. Now let's talk a little bit about those double axle floor plans. Most double axle Jay Flight SLX models are available across the country, but there are some select ones that will be available only in the West, defined by Jayco as Colorado to the Pacific Ocean, and some available only in the East, pretty much defined by Jayco as Texas to the Atlantic Ocean. Now, no worries, I'll let you know which ones are regionally specific. There are quite a few floor plans, including toy haulers, so I'll run through them family first. So let's check out those bunkhouses. What you say? Sweet. Okay. The 224BH has double over double bunks, a centered queen bed with a privacy curtain, and a convertible dinette so it can sleep 7. You'll also find a pantry and an outside kitchen. The 242BHS can sleep 8 with its stacked double bunks, queen bed, and a large U dinette. The dinette is in a slide out, which makes room for the wide kidney-shaped kitchen counter. Cook meals on the outside kitchen too. The 264BH takes its longer frame and adds a comfy jackknife sofa. With it and the stacked double bunks, convertible dinette, and queen bed, you have room for up to 8 snoozers or snores. The 267BHS is the first of the larger Jay Flight SLX bunkhouses, and its large living area slide out creates a lot of interior room. Double stacked bunks and a queen bed in the bedroom, a bedroom made private with solid sliding doors, highlight the ability for the 267BHS to sleep up to 8. The 267BHS also has an outside kitchen. An Eastern Half of America exclusive, the 284BHS has a large slide out, housing a wide U dinette and jackknife sofa. Adding the stacked double bunks and the queen bed gives you the possibility of sleeping up to 9. Other highlights include a solid sliding door for bedroom privacy, a large kitchen counter, and an outside kitchen. A Western U.S. exclusive is the 267BHSW with its stacked double bunks and outside kitchen. The queen bed is separated from the living area via the entertainment center and double sliding doors. The 267BHSW can sleep up to 8. The available in the West only 286BHSW has a massive slide out with a U dinette and a hide-a-bed. With the stacked double bunks and queen bed, you can sleep up to 10. The bedroom has a private exterior entry, and you'll also find the outside kitchen. Capable of sleeping 9, the Eastern exclusive 294QBS has a bunk room separated from the living area via a privacy curtain and has its own entertainment center. There's a large pantry sitting next to the massive living area slide out. The bedroom is separated by an entertainment center with bench, so you can sit there and enjoy all of the entertainment. You'll also get a full-size shower and an outside kitchen. The 324 BDS, only available from Texas to the Atlantic Ocean, has a slide out and a wardrobe closet in its private bunk room. The huge living area is fronted by a centered entertainment center with double solid sliding doors, making the bedroom private. The 324 BDS can sleep 9. You'll also find direct access from the exterior into the bathroom, plus that awesome outside kitchen. Exclusive to the eastern part of the United States are the Jayco Jay Flight SLX toy haulers. The 236TH has 11 feet of space up the middle for your toys. A private bedroom with direct access to the walk-through bathroom sits up front. Guests can sleep on the convertible sofas in the garage area. The 265TH sports nearly 13 feet of garage up the middle and has a private bedroom with direct access to a walk-through bathroom. More sleeping space is in the garage area with a pair of convertible sofas. A neat feature is the flip-up bar top with attached stools. Jayco Jay Flight SLX models for the couple are plenty. The 212QB has a centered queen bed coming off the front wall. A split kitchen comes between it and the dinette and jackknife sofa combo located in the back. The 212QB can sleep 4. The 265 RLS is an Eastern exclusive Jay Flight SLX and has a rear wall with a big picture window shared by a pair of recliners. They sit perpendicular to the large living area slide out with its jackknife sofa and convertible dinette. The bedroom has a private entry from the exterior and is further separated from the rest of the layout via a walk-through bathroom. The 275 RLSW is exclusive to the western part of the United States. You'll find a large jackknife sofa dominating the back wall with access to the angled entertainment center. A huge dinette in the slide out shared by the fridge also has viewing access to a TV. A walk-through bathroom sits between the living area and the bedroom. The bedroom also has a private entry from the exterior. Whew. For those of you who watched the entire Jayco Jay Flight SLX overview, congrats on making it through. I'm sorry you had to look and listen to this. There are a lot of floor plans, But a lot of floor plans means a lot of options. So you'll be able to find the ideal Jayco Jay Flight SLX model for you and your family's camping needs. Happy hunting, and more importantly, happy camping.